Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn the first motion block, which is move 10 steps. Let's get into the video. Okay, so this motion is the first category of scratch blocks. Inside this motion category, this move 10 steps is the first block. It is this type of stack block. What is meant by stack block? It is a rectangular box. It is shaped to fit above and below with other blocks. For example, we can stack this block with any other block on above and below it. So what this move 10 steps block will do? This will move the sprite forward in the direction it is facing for the specified number of steps. For example, now the default value for this block is 10. And look at here, the x value is 0. So if I run this block, the cat has moved 10 steps forward. Look at this value now. Now it has increased to 10 and it has moved to the direction that it is facing. Now let's see, the y value is 0. Okay, so now I am going to change the cat's direction to 0 so that the cat will look up. Okay, so now it is looking up. Now if I run this block, the cat will move 10 steps up because it is moving forward in which direction it is facing. Okay, so I'll click on it. Now you can see now the value of this y is 10. So if you run this block again, the value become 20 because it has moved 10 more steps again. So this is the same thing that it will work for remaining directions as well. So I'll tell you the definition for this block again. This block will move its sprite forward in the direction it is facing for the specified number of steps. Okay, so this is the default value. You can replace this value with any other number. For example, if I put 50, if I run it, you can see it has moved 50 steps forward. Okay, so let me tell you one more example. So now look at this image. Assuming the black grid, this is the single grid, right? So it shows individual pixel positions. Okay, so let's assume this is a pixel, this is one pixel. So if I use a move block with the number of steps 1, for example, move 1 step, the scratch cat will reach this red circle. So if the direction is 90, it will reach here. If the direction is 0, it will reach here. Okay, and same thing, if the direction is negative 90, it will reach here. If the direction is 180, it will reach here. So the final position along the circle depending on its direction. So if we use move 10 steps, it gets to the orange circle. If we use move 3 steps, it will get here to the green circle. And one more important thing is, how can we move a sprite backward using this move 10 steps block? So we know when we use this positive 10, the sprite will move forward. If we use negative 10, the sprite will move backward. So now it is looking at right, so it will move towards left because it is moving backward. Okay, look at here, now the x value is minus 10, previously it was 0. Same thing, if we make the cat to look up, it will go down. It won't look down, but it will move backward. Okay, so you can see now it has moved 10 steps down. Let me show you the value for y. This is the value for y. That's it. So that's it about this move 10 steps block. If you have any question, please put it in the comment box. I'm happy to answer. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And thank you for your support.